Hi everybody, it's Mark Rommaker with the Home Squad at eXp Realty, and we have a brand new listing we're really excited to share with you.
Hey,
today.
Marky Mark and the Funky Bunch.
Hey Johnny, what you doing, man?
Nothing much, man. We got a new listing?
Yeah, I'm selling this house.
Oh, dude, I can't wait. Mind if we go check it out?
Sure, yeah. You bring your microphone?
Yeah, I never leave home without it.
Okay, all right. Awesome. Let's see. Hey, dude. Welcome to 2112 Lemon Street.
Smell that?
Yeah.
Waft it.
Okay, what is that?
Real estate.
So right away, you walk right in, you have the living room, right? It's open floor plan.
I love the open floor plan.
Yeah, it's an open floor plan, which everybody loves.
Keyword floor.
Right, what are you doing?
Come on down here with me.
I'm not coming down. Oh yeah, it's brand new laminate flooring throughout the entire home.
I know that, Mark.
Okay, it's beautiful though, right?
It's wonderful.
Yeah, so you like this room?
I really do like this room, but hold a sec, Mark. Let me take it all in.
Okay. You okay?
Yeah, let's check it out.
Okay. So here we are at the kitchen. You like it?
This is amazing.
Yeah, it's a good kitchen, right?
Look at the size of this sink.
It's a big
It's
sink.
called something. It's a
sink.
Garden sink.
I think-
Garden tub.
No, it's not.
It's a big sink.
It's just a sink.
Superior sink.
Yes, it's a
The SS sink.
Sure.
Sink.
It's a sink.
The submarine sinker.
Okay.
Big.
It's a sink. It's beautiful. It's big.
What about the backsplash?
I know. I like it.
Handcrafted.
Okay. And the stainless steel appliances, right?
Hold on a sec, Mark.
Okay.
Let me take it all in.
You good?
There's an indoor laundry facility. Separate.
Should we check it out?
Laundry room and a flex space. Can't get any better than this.
It's really just a laundry room
Is that a chin-up bar?
for you.
Man, I gotta do some chinners.
Okay. Let's keep going. All right. So here we are in this beautiful owner suite. Do you like it?
Oh my goodness gracious. This is pretty spacious.
I know, and the flooring still continues out through the whole house.
What about these? This is
What?
pretty cool.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, stop. That's the stop.
Does that convey with the purchase of property?
His coat. No, this is the seller's coat. The hands off. Stop doing that.
Everything's negotiable.
No, it's not. Stop. Do you like the room?
Let me take it in.
Yeah. And?
I dig it.
Okay. Where are you going?
To the bathroom.
Yeah, you like the updates?
Goodness. Look at this.
Yeah. What are you doing? What are you doing? What? Hey, what? Don't touch. What are you doing? Don't touch.
I love this place.
That's not part of the house.
Everything's negotiable.
Let's go.
Second bedroom. Third bedroom.
Hey, Johnny,
Yeah, Mark.
you want to see the fourth bedroom?
Yeah, what about it?
It's a game room.
Ah! Move, camera guy!
Yeah, so you walk down the hallway, you see the fourth bedroom, which is a, how'd you get, okay. Hey, you like the gaming room?
I love what they did with the space.
Yeah, did you change clothes?
These are my gaming threads. I love all types of games.
Okay, all right. So yeah, so the,
Game of Thrones, World of Warcraft, Call of Duty, Fortnite, building things.
the screens aren't even on.
You never lose if you never play the game, Mark.
What?
I'm a winner.
Do you want to see the backyard?
Let's go check it out.
Check out this huge backyard. It's amazing.
Mark, not now.
What?
Baseball's back.
Huh?
Looks good on you.
So there it is. That's our listing at 2112 Lemon Street. Thanks for seeing it, you guys. We really appreciate it.
Hey guys, this is Jonathan Spiegel with eXp Realty and the Home Squad. Thank you so much for checking out Mark's new listing.
Thanks for coming by. I didn't realize you knew where I was.
It was so good to see you guys.
Yeah, it was good to see you too.
As we say here at the Home Squad, make sure you appraise it before you raise it.
I never said, we don't say that.
Yeah, we've said that.
No, that's a terrible saying. What does
You
it mean?
said that.
I don't even know what it means. I've never said that.
Know the value.
What are you talking about?
You've said it before.
I don't say that
It's
stuff.
tattooed on your forearm. It's in the shape of a sunflower. See you guys.
Message us if you want to see this house. Bye, guys.
Man, what a cool house. Got Fortnite. Got lots of cool things to do. Playing Fortnite. Going to set the high score.
Hey, dude. Welcome.
Real estate.
So right when you walk in, you have this cool living space area with a big TV, a couch, and you know, it's an open floor plan.
I love the open floor.
Yeah, I'm really excited about our new listing today in beautiful Haines City, Florida, right behind me.
Hey, Marcus Aurelius.
What, hey, what are you,
What's up, man?
what are you, how'd you know I was here? What are you doing?
You're shooting a new listing video?
Yeah, it's a new, yeah, how'd you find me?
Oh, I heard about it.
Yeah, you did?
Yeah. Let's go check it out. Hold my helmet.
Oh, Jonathan, you're already in here. Oh,
Hey, Mark.
hey, you like the gaming room?
I love what they did with the space.
Did you change clothes?
These are my gaming threads.
Okay.
Fortnite, Call of Duty, World of Warcraft, setting high scores.
What are you, the screens aren't even on.
You never lose that way.
What? Seriously? Do you want to see a big backyard?
Let's go check it out.